good, y'all? This is Bino here, and today I'm coming back to you with another unboxing that I just got from another company. Shout out to them for sending me this one. This one I've been trying to get ever since it been released, and now since I got it, I'm just very happy and so excited to review with you guys, because obviously you guys want to see more content from me and different things that I do with the channel. So without being said, let's get right to it. But let's just pretend, okay? I'm gonna open this bitch up and see what's inside of it. Oh shit. Ooh. Take the wrap off. What else is inside here? Put them over there. Now we got the box right here. The scissors here and there. Ooh. Okay then. So here we have the UNC 4s, Air Jordan 4s actually. I'm surprised they gave me an early release of the shoe. Again, shout out to the people who sent it to me, or AKA the plug. You feel me? I wasn't expecting this at first, to be honest. I was really surprised on how, like, what Jordan they were gonna give me. I thought it would be more like the Fear 4s or the COD 4s or something like that, or any type of 4s, really, don't matter with me. Any 4s y'all give me, I'm gonna review the best way I can, to be honest. But other than that, I like how the box look. It has that classic cement box, almost remind me of the cement 3s in that type of way. Of course, they have this, but since it's an early look, let's look inside the shoe, what's inside here, so y'all can get a better view of this. Whew, I can smell it all the way inside the box. So bam, here we have the UNC 4s inside the box, and man, oh, bruh, the smell of it is crazy. So here we have right here, the UNC 4. If y'all can take a look at it, much better. Look how nice it looks. It looks really nice. Even the Jumpman's on point and everything. Let me put this box to the side. Y'all can take a better look at this. The back looks okay. As you can see right here, the stitching on this part that's touching, that's lined up with the Jumpman on the back, looks pretty good if you ask me. It's lined up almost perfect. Not in perfect symmetry, but somewhat perfect of it. Heel tab looks good. Looks really good. The tongue is on point. As y'all can see, the tongue is amazing. There's no crooked Jumpman. You know, those particular Jordans that came out years ago, they have crooked Jumpman, but now it's much more better. So yeah, the strap looks okay. It looks decent. The strap is decent. If you ask me, you can cop an early pair on StockX, and this shoe has not been set to come out. Probably say about a couple weeks from next week from now. Yeah, next week from now. A week, well, 2 weeks from now. So y'all still have time to go out there and fight people for raffles and stuff like that, or you can just pick other options. It's up to you how you want to choose it. But this Jordan's pretty dope. It's really good. The only thing that's off is just the strap, basically, but it's all right. I mean, we wear our shoes for the toe. We don't really care how we wear them, or if anyone's not gonna know, because I know there's some weird ass people in the world that pay attention to details of the shoe. Other than that, it's just, the shoe's a shoe. No one's not gonna give a fuck, because they're gonna look at the front side of the shoe, not the sides itself, you know? But yeah, the bottom looks good. It has that perfect suede. Like, it doesn't move back and forth, but the suede is really amazing. As y'all can see right here, the suede looks really good. It looks really good. There's no tumble leather or nothing. Suede's on point, everything's on point. And as y'all can see, the shoe tree, the paper is wrapped the shoe tree. I don't know why they did that. Usually it's supposed to be inside the shoe tree, which is weird, but I'm not judging. Again, I'm not judging. So I'm just gonna put that to the side right there. What else do they have? What else they came with? And another pair right here as well. Boom, boom, boom. They just look really good. Oh, almost one more thing. They have that little tag on the side right here. I don't know why. Like, I feel like cutting it, but then again, I'm gonna just leave it like that because just to see how people would look at it in a different perspective. But I don't really care, to be honest. I'm just gonna leave it how it is. Oh, and there's a little mark right here on the side right there. But we don't care. We really don't care. It's okay. It's all good. But yeah. Now, since I show you the whole detail of the shoe and explain when the shoe's coming out, oh yeah, the shoe's gonna come out on the 29th. So if I don't know if y'all some StockX heads go on there and just try to cop a pair. I do believe there is 3 pairs left since you can get an early pair. It's more like pre-ordering, you know, GameStop vibes. Give me GameStop vibes basically. But yeah, go on there, check it out. But I'm pretty sure that a bunch of places like GOAT, StockX, other stuff as well too. They all have early releases. I mean, I know GOAT has defect places, so yeah. Pretty much, yeah, this is a GOAT defect. So that's all I have to say, really. Shout out to them for sending me that stuff. But other than that, yeah. But like I said, let me not get off topic. Let's get to this on foot review so y'all can take a look at this shoe much better. Let's go.